Welcome to the TurboSet 200. This short video will demonstrate the main points needed to operate the TurboSet 200 safely and efficiently. The TurboSet has been fully tested and meets EN standards. Inbuilt flashback arresters have been fitted to the regulators and the torch handle for your added safety. Like any gas welding set, only trained operators can use it. Make sure you read and understand the instruction guide before use. After unpacking all the items, we can start to assemble the TurboSet 200. The set is normally shipped from Tasuco without any oxygen or MapPro bottle in the carton. First, attach the bottle holders to the metal carry case. Make sure you align the bracket marked gas with the gas marking on the metal carry case, and then do the same with the oxy bracket. Place both the oxygen and MapPro bottles into the metal carry case and tighten the wing nuts to secure the bottles in place and remove the caps. Make sure the regulator inlet O-rings are in place and outlets are clear before attaching to the bottles. If the O-rings are damaged, you must replace them. The set comes with 3 spare oxygen O-rings. Make sure the regulator control knobs are fully adjusted out towards the minus symbol on the regulator body before fitting them onto the bottles. This will make sure that no gas will flow after you have fitted the regulators. The regulator with the blue control knob should now be fitted to the oxygen bottle. Please ensure that you do not over-tighten, as this will damage the O-ring. Once fitted, the regulator pressure gauge will indicate the contents of the oxygen bottle. Again, the gauge on the oxygen regulator is only the bottle pressure. The regulator with the orange control knob should now be fitted to the MapPro bottle. The MapPro regulator is fitted with a delivery pressure gauge and will only work once you have adjusted the control knob towards the plus symbol. Each bottle has a different connection, so it is impossible to connect the wrong regulator. Attach the hoses to the regulators by using the 2 spanners. Fit the orange hose to the regulator with the orange control knob and the blue hose to the regulator with the blue control knob. Right-hand nut for oxygen and left-hand nut for MapPro. Check the nozzle is fitted to the lance and the lance is connected to the torch handle. Your nozzle choice is important, and your gas consumption will depend on this and the way you set the flame. Everyone will set the flame differently. As a guide, the oxygen bottle with the smallest nozzle fitted lasts about 45 minutes, while the MapPro bottle will last about 5.5 hours. Once the TurboSet 200 is assembled, it weighs only 6 kilograms, making it a lightweight portable system with disposable gas bottles. We are now ready to check the system for leaks. Make sure the handle control knobs are off, close towards the minus position. We can now turn on the MapPro and oxygen regulators. Do this one at a time. Set the MapPro regulator to 0.5 bar. Open the red control knob on the handle and make sure the pressure on the regulator gauge is still set at 0.5 bar. Close the control knob once the delivery pressure is checked. You can check the fuel gas hose for leaks at this point. Any leaks must be fixed before lighting the TurboSet 200. The oxygen hose can now be checked by opening the blue control knob on the regulator towards the plus mark on the regulator body. Make sure the blue control knob on the torch handle is closed. Once the line is pressurized, check the oxygen hose for leaks. Any leaks must be fixed before lighting. After checking the oxygen hose for leaks, turn the oxygen regulator control knob towards the minus position and open the oxygen torch handle control knob and release the oxygen in the hose. We are now ready to light the TurboSet 200. Open the red control knob on the torch handle towards the plus position by a half a turn and light the gas with a flint gun at a 45-degree angle. Adjust the flame until the flame is close to the nozzle. With the blue control valve on the torch handle open, adjust the control knob on the oxygen regulator towards the plus position until the white inner cone is clearly defined. So there it is. The TurboSet 200 is now ready for work. When shutting down for a short time, close the fuel gas red control knob on the torch handle towards the minus position and then turn the oxygen blue control knob on the torch handle towards the minus position. If shutting down long term, first close the MAP Pro regulator orange control knob towards the minus position, fully winding it out. Then close the oxygen regulator blue control knob towards the minus position, fully winding it out. Let the flame go out. Close both the control knobs on the torch handle. Replacement gas bottles can be obtained from distributors nationwide. So there you have it. Enjoy the TurboSet 200.